The relationship of assets with liabilities and capital or owner's equity, evidence of companies listed on Dar es Salaam Stock Exchange, Tanzania. By Henry Ponsian-Prat. The accounting equation shows the equality or relationship between company assets, liabilities, and capital or owner's equity. This article attempts to explain how an accounting equation evolves due to the complex behaviors of managers in decision-making, making specifically capital structure decisions. The article looks at the accounting equation by using trade-off theory and positive accounting theory lenses. The accounting equation is viewed as living or dynamic and changes according to human behavior or managers of a company's behavior. The article focuses on all 15 companies listed on the Dar es Salaam Stock Exchange, DSE, from the year 2005 to 2008 when Tanzania effectively adopted IASs. Annual reports of companies were used to obtain data from 2005 through 2008. The values of total assets, liabilities, and owner's equity or capital were obtained from the company's statements of financial position and regressed together. The regression model and descriptive statistics were used to show the relationship between total assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. The model was then used to show a new form of the accounting equation, rates of change of liabilities and owner's equity. In this article, the new approaches or look at the accounting equation and the rates of change of liabilities and capital in relation to assets were found, and shows the proportion of the two components of assets, that is liability 64% and capital 36% to the asset. Finally, the author explains the constant term which is not explained by other authors of the accounting field. This article shows for the first time a new form of accounting equation, different rates of change for the two components of assets, and finally proportions of the owner's equity, capital, and liabilities components on assets. Future researchers should find out how the accounting equation evolves, how total liabilities of companies, L, and companies' owners' equity, C, change in relation to total assets as well as the proportion of L and C to the total assets in specific industries, and should also define the optimal point where capital equals to liability. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.